Page 62, Exercise 1A.
Mickey, Millie and Mutt are going camping.
The guidebook says that Buttercup Farm is the best campsite in the area.
Yes, but look! It's full.
I don't like this campsite. It isn't very good.
No, we can find a better place than this. Oh, this is as bad as Hillside. In fact, it's worse than Hillside.
Yes, the guide says it's the worst campsite in the country.
Oh, now it's getting dark and the weather's getting worse. This is the worst holiday in the world.
Look at that sign, Millie. It says camping. We can put our tent here.
Well, it isn't as good as Buttercup Farm, but we can find a better place tomorrow.
Yes, it's raining now, but we're as dry as a bone in here.
Mickey, stop snoring.
I'm not snoring.
Well, what's that noise?